We also welcome our brothers and sisters who came specially from other countries as the Netherlands and Italy to participate in this demonstration. Now, first of all, we would like to ask 1 minute of silence to commemorate all the victims of dictatorial regimes who have died, who are still imprisoned, or who suffer in another way. So please, 1 minute of silence.
The killer! They are the killer! They are the butcher! They are the butcher! They are the liar! They are the liar! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Go back! Red Chinese! Go back! Red Chinese! Go